Are you having problems with your Tubi app not working and you want to be able to fix this? Well, then this video is going to be perfect for you, because actually me myself, I had the exact same problem before, and I'm going to show you how I was able to fix it. So basically what I did firstly is that I closed the Tubi app on my phone, and instead I went into the settings app, as you can see. So I just went into my settings app instead, and I scrolled down in here, and then I clicked where it says general. So I clicked on general. And as you can see, you should now be taken to a page very similar to this, which is great. So now on this page, I just scrolled down and then I clicked on storage in here and just simply waited for this page to completely load. It's just going to take you a couple of seconds. Now I just swiped up in here until I can see the search bar up top. I search for Tubi in here and I clicked on the Tubi app. Then I'm going to click on upload app here and once again click on upload app. And then click on the blue button here once again, and just now simply wait for your Tubi app to completely update to its latest version. By the way, this should not log you out of your account. At least this did not log my account out. Basically what happened instead is that by doing this, you're going to force your Tubi app to completely update to its latest version. So you're going to fix all the bugs that was in the previous one. So I did this myself. I went back, I was still logged in into my account, and now I was able to use my app and my Tubi app, and yeah, it was fixed for me. So I hope that this will be able to fix it for you as well.